A lot of auto repair shop websites get traffic but fail to convert it. Why? Because most visitors have questions before they book. They want to know if you work on their vehicle, how soon you can see them, what symptoms matter, and whether they should call or schedule. In 2026, AI chat tools can help auto repair shops answer common questions instantly and guide visitors toward action. That means fewer people bouncing off the site and more people becoming real leads. America's Best Shops shows auto repair shops how to use AI chat the right way, not as a gimmick, but as a conversion tool. The key is to make the experience helpful, simple, and focused on booking. When someone lands on your website after searching for help, that moment matters. AI helps your shop respond like a live team member, even when nobody is available. Faster responses often mean more appointments and more repair orders.